You ordered a pizza. Now let me show you exactly how the internet works. Imagine you order a pizza, but instead of one big box, the shop sends it in 10 separate bags. Different drivers, different routes. Some hit traffic, some take shortcuts. They don't all arrive at the same time. That's IP. It breaks your data into packets and ships them across the internet however they can get there. No guarantees, no order, just get there. Now imagine your friend at the door checking off a list. Bag 3 is missing. Call the shop. Bag 7 arrived before bag 2. Swap them. Won't let you eat until every single bag is accounted for in the right order. That's TCP. It tracks every packet, requests missing ones, reassembles everything correctly before handing it over. Together, that's TCP IP. Every time you load Instagram, stream Netflix, or send a WhatsApp message, your data is getting shredded into packets, shipped across dozens of machines worldwide, and perfectly rebuilt on the other side. In the time it took me to say that, it already happened about 1,000 times on your phone. That's the internet.